The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a critical commitment by DeFi to the whole world, not on the grounds that there are relatively few late players during the pandemic, but since very few have decided to work from an alternate organization out and out, standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution. AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is a point-by-point AMP value expectation referenced here. A definitive target of this token is exactly something similar to ensure exchanges and innate information, making them more moment and secure, based on the Ethereum blockchain as per the ERC20 standard for tokens. AMP provides clients with the comfort of trading in fiat or some other computerized cash. What makes AMP novel? Flexa organization's local symbolic AMP has made moment installment approvals conceivable, stopping the course of exchanges. It is to the client's honor that they can stake and ensure any type of significant worth trade, be it computerized installments, government-issued money trade, advanced disseminations, property deals, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. A devoted class of experts and financial backers has an AMP, the organization's local symbolic co-created by Flexa organization and consensus, a thought that changed into a progressive ERC20 token making waves on the AMP crypto trade and comparative innovation. AMP token. The less popular realities a significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to a sensational expansion in the quantity of excavators, upheld by a strong and high transfer speed public blockchain stage. The issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching deceitful or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token, and it goes about as guarantee for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and comparative advancements. The underpinning of AMP depends altogether on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Thus, security deterrents are captured first. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This distinguishable characteristic makes it remarkable contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of AMP tokens as impetuses in executing savvy contracts and moving assets. AMP token, specialized investigation going by the specialized examination. AMP's cost has had a noteworthy journey since its send-off, which could be the primary justification for its prominence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0, with a market cap of $156,213,685. The 24-hour exchanging volume of AMP coins remains at $21,223,704, with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In light of verifiable information, the coin began its excursion at $0, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enrolled an unexpected spike and crossed 3 cents. From that point onward, it kept on exchanging respectably till June. On June 16th, AMP recorded an untouched high of 12 cents. In any case, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop. In 2022, things turned less fortunate for AMP as the cost consistently exchanged the downtrend. Presently, in 2023, the token has denoted a respectable recuperation and keeps on exchanging around $0. In light of our AMP cost expectations, AMP is a terrible long-haul speculation. The cost guess for long-term end is $0. Toward the start of December 2023, the AMP cost may be around $0 to our AMP conjecture. Most extreme cost $0, least cost $0. The typical AMP cost for the month will be around $0. AMP figure toward the month's end is $0. The cost of AMP is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 1 cent in 2025. The AMP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 1 cent with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2025. AMP will keep on being valued by digital money financial backers with a strong exchanging rise cost to date, showing potential for clients arriving at a value ascent of $0 this year because of fixed supply. The vertical pattern has been anticipated simply on the benefits of AMP, viz. Security and dependability. AMP is a computerized security token that offers undeniable confirmations of collateralization for a steam move. A further effect on costs for this guarantee token should be visible in view of the inflow of assets by monetary establishments and security token financial backers in the long haul. AMP Value Expectation 2023 AMP has laid out a quick, dependable environment and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AMP with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $0. On the off chance that the drive for a practical AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Furthermore, subsequently, as per AMP cost forecast, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to acquire great returns from now on. AMP Crypto Value Expectation 2024. There is no certain shot digital money conjecture for any of the current crypto coins. Taking into account the verifiable information in cryptographic money markets, AMP is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and merchants' local area. Many theories are going ahead for AMP, particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There is a gauge that the AMP cost might reach $0. The blessing has been finished by significant security and adaptability highlights. The interesting special endeavors might wrap up, making the clients reap the additions. AMP Crypto Value Expectation 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by geniuses. By 2025, the token is set to quit slacking with other digital currencies to show up at a greatest cost of 1 cent. A stunning positive thinking is anticipated for AMP chiefly because of its predictable exhibition over the course of the following couple of years. Consequently, dealers ought to allude to our AMP gauge before they put resources into AMP. AMP Gauge 2026 clients can do all necessary investigation and remember AMP for their portfolio alongside different coins for bringing in cash essentially soon. Upheld by strong savvy gets, the AMP cost may effectively contact 1 cent before the year's over 2026. AMP Expectation 2027. AMP digital currency specialists generally plan for long-haul cost targets as opposed to momentary ventures. AMP Value Expectations 2028. AMP might support an uplifting perspective on the off chance that the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the speculation guidance or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries and scaling 2 cents. AMP Value Conjecture 2029. In the event that the market keeps on being positive, the AMP cost is set to break all hindrances and perform richly, scaling the top in 2029 according to our AMP gauge. Violating all impediments throughout the year, the AMP token will definitely cross 2 cents. AMP Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the AMP token will have a greatest cost of 3 cents with a base cost of 2 cents all year long. Simultaneously, the AMP crypto may exchange at a normal of 3 cents in 2030. In view of our AMP conjecture, is AMP crypto a wise venture? Indeed, AMP is a wise venture whenever contributed at the right incentive as long as possible. The token is supposed to exchange at a limit of around 3 cents by 2030. Individuals in all actuality do have this misguided judgment as AMP digital forms of money are inclined to unpredictability and furthermore have high gamble. It is a similar case, however, with other government-issued types of money too. Be that as it